9 things iOS 17 copied from Android. Another year, another series of features Apple is reinventing for the iPhone. For many, Android is simply the superior mobile operating system, offering flexibility that you simply won't find on iOS. However, if there's one thing that Apple is good at, it's stealing, or copying, features that Android already had. Number 1, Standby isn't anything new. Admittedly, I'm pretty excited about Standby as it not only will turn your iPhone into a digital nightstand clock, but there are also widgets that can be accessed. Although it has come to the best Android phones under different names and layouts, having your phone show more than just your lock screen while charging is nothing new. Number 2, Live voicemail copies the Pixel's best feature. Google has been doing a pretty good job at releasing features for the Pixel first, before making them available across all Android devices. However, there is one feature, call screen, that remains Pixel exclusive, and it's one of the best reasons to use a Pixel aside from the stellar camera system. There are some Android features that have been gone for so long that it's funny to see Apple try and bring them back. We saw this with lock screen widgets on iOS 16, and now Android Beam is making its way to iOS 17. NameDrop is one of Apple's flashy, new features, allowing you to transfer your contact information with someone else just by bringing your iPhones together. Number 4, Interactive home screen widgets. Having home screen and lock screen widgets is one thing, but Apple did the Apple thing and made them stagnant on iOS and iPadOS. Number 5, you can finally find pictures of your pets in photos. See just how big my puppy has gotten since she came home. For as great as Apple's Photos app is, this feels like a feature that Apple really never thought of until recently, apparently. Number 6, Simplified home screen. With assistive access, you can turn the home screen into a list of applications, while also providing a customized interface for native apps like music, photos, and messages. Number 7, Apple Maps gains a feature Google Maps has had forever. You couldn't use Apple Maps to do so, and would instead need to download Google Maps or almost any other mapping app. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.